What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get one YouTube subscriber every single hour. I'm going to show you how I was able to do it and how you can get started as well. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I also help YouTube channels grow. As a small YouTube channel, I was able to grow very quickly. I want to be able to help you as well. Okay, let me show you how I was able to do it. So first of all, if we go to Social Blade, you can see here that my daily average is about 26. Now it is early in the morning, so this is actually between 40 and 60 now as my channel's growing. Okay, but for the purposes of the video, you can see that obviously there's 24 hours in a day. I'm gaining about one subscriber every single hour based on this average. Okay, now let me show you some analytics real quick. So if we go to my analytics, you can see that my reach has blown up since I started, but you can see it started out slow when I started my channel in May. It is now December 18th, and now my channel is starting to, blow up. Okay, now it's not like crazy where I'm like 100,000 subscribers yet, but for me, this is blowing up because I'm a small YouTube channel. But what I want to tell you is you can do this as well. As you can see, I was consistent. I would have a spike here, at this point in time, I blew up here. At this point in time, I blew up, and now at this point in time, I'm blowing up. So what I'm saying is, you get bigger as you keep creating content. Now, I want to show you a secret on how you can, get one subscriber, every single hour, and how, it doesn't matter if you have one subscriber, 50,000 subscribers. This will work for anyone in any niche on YouTube. Okay, so if we go here, what we're going to do is milestone videos. These videos are extremely powerful because what happens is you get a ton of people, from all different niches watching your videos. It doesn't have to be just what your niche is about. For example, my niche is about teaching people how to make money online with affiliate marketing. But with my milestone videos, I'm able to attract everyone that wants to grow on YouTube. Okay, so I'm opening up my audience just for a minute. Now, if you see here, okay, so all my videos are, niche down, right? So I teach people how to make money online with PayPal, affiliate marketing. And yes, you're supposed to stick with one niche, but if you, if you're able to, just have a video or two talking about your milestones, that's still, you're taking people on this journey. Okay, now let me show you what I mean by milestone. So I was recently monetized 2 days ago, so I created a video on being monetized. So there's a video here, and then if we go here, how to get lots of YouTube subscribers, I'm basically taking people on my journey. Okay, so there's a video here, how I was able to get 12,000 views on YouTube. So there's another milestone video, how to rank on YouTube as a small YouTube channel. And then critical, I'm sorry about the mic, guys. I had that to the left there. Also, critical analytics you need to know about YouTube. So this is all catered to YouTubers that are trying to grow, right? So they're looking for these milestone videos. Now let me show you some other ones here. 0 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. There's another one. Let's see here, from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. So you can see there that I am creating these milestone videos to help my channel grow, because people that are smaller than you are going to look at these videos and they're going to say, hey, well, if he can do it, I can do it too, right? So that's basically what you want to do. You want to be able to create these milestone videos, and they're going to really help you grow. I promise you that, because those videos actually do really, really well on my channel. Now, let me give you some ideas here. How to get blank subscribers. So, for you, just say you have 2 subscribers and, you finally hit 10. You create a video, how I got 10 YouTube subscribers. Boom. How I got my first 100 views. Boom. How I got my first 1,000 hours of watch time. My journey to YouTube monetization. Okay. That's a big one. Even if you haven't hit monetization yet, you can say, hey, I'm this close. This is what I've done. How I got YouTube monetized. I just created that video. It's a milestone video. So, YouTubers under you are going to basically follow your journey. They're going to follow what you're doing. And I promise you guys, you're going to see a ton of growth with your YouTube channel. Okay, these are great videos to make. And I highly recommend that you do that. Any YouTuber can do this. and you're gonna grow. So anyways, I hope this video was of value to you guys. It was just a quick video, but it's really helped me as I was growing my YouTube channel, and as I continue to grow. My next video is how I got 10,000 subscribers and how I got 5,000 subscribers. So guys, you can create any of these videos. Like, it's really cool. So anyways, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon.